I came here to laugh at you.
Hi, everybody! Today we are with you as Char and Quattro.
Addy soldiers, how are you doing today?
I guess I should be Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Because it's a very... I mean, you can't tell while I'm sitting, but if I were to stand, you'll realize it's a much more feminine version.
Yes, you're very, femmified. Very femmified. This is my favorite cosplay
I'm very excited.
we've ever done.
So the backstory between these cosplays is we obviously are Gundam fans. We do a lot of Gundam building, Gunpla building. I love Char, and I wanted to do a Char cosplay last year.
Yeah.
I was solo mission last year, so I didn't have Peanut with me. So this year, with Peanut coming with me to Anime North, I wanted to figure out what she could do that kind of matched with what I was doing.
Yeah, because we always do a pair of something. Either two characters from the same show, matching but not matching, something like that. So we knew I had to do something Gundam, but that's so vast and so broad that it's like we have to find something that would match Charlotte.
Yes. And taking Peanut's personality into account, the obvious answer was Quattro. Peanut essentially just wants to wear a cosplay where she doesn't have to wear a wig, and she can flex her muscles 24/7.
I hate wigs. I hate them with a passion. I've worn them before, and I'm sure I will again. Will you wear wigs?
When will you wear wig?
But it is not my favorite, especially if we're wearing a cosplay all day.
Big man.
Hi, big man. He loves Quattro. He's being so...
He's coming right over.
Hi,
baby!
Yeah.
So Peanut loves her cosplay. She loves being able to suns out, guns out. I think this look suits her so well. I told her she had to find some very thick and very dark sunglasses to accompany the look.
Yep. We obviously, of course, we took pictures at Anime North. And I was just telling Smiley, I think in all of the photos that we took, I was maybe smiling in half of them, because I just loved, anytime I saw a mirror or caught my reflection, I just feel so cool.
Peanut was serving, absolutely. It was so good.
I mean, when we first got there and we started walking around, you said it's walking around with scary dog privilege, because I was walking in front, and I started walking with, like, my arms like this. I've never been cooler. I need to emphasize this.
I just need to do this every day.
I have never felt so cool in my life. So I can't wait to wear this again. I can't wait.
So maybe now is a good time to put the photos up so that everyone can see what we looked like at the convention, which is surprisingly similar to what we look like currently.
Less wrinkly, but...
So there's full bodies and there's close-ups. We will link to the photographer who's kind enough to take these photos of us. They turned out phenomenally. Yeah. We love them a lot.
Do you have a favorite pic?
I think my favorite is actually the one with you in the foreground and me in the background with my arm on your shoulder.
Yeah.
Because to me, theme-wise, it's my favorite because Quattro and Char... Sorry, everybody, if you haven't watched all of Gundam.
Spoilers alert, everyone.
Close your ears.
La, 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 la.
They're the same person. So with me being behind you with my arm on
clone.
your shoulder. Well, you are...
What am I?
You are me.
I'm your sister.
You are me. I disappear and I change sides and I come back as you. And I'm like, no one will ever know. How would they know?
How would they know? That's really funny.
But we did find Char clones while we were going around the convention. There was one that we took a photo with, and it was lovely.
Yeah.
So we had a lot of fun. But I wanted to show you guys what these look like. Do you want to be the first model, ma'am?
I need to also say, when I brought my cosplay to Smiley's house today, I forgot pieces of it, because I didn't realize we were going to be showing full body and not just photos.
You have to show... Well, because if you can't see full body of this, you're missing half of the glamour.
Well, I forgot my boots.
You're missing the look.
My cosplay came with custom boots.
They'll see them in the photo, thankfully.
They'll see them in the photos. And I didn't bring the belt.
Oh my god!
I thought it was in the bag. I thought I had it with me.
Peanut losing things after conventions, iconic. Every time.
Every time. So this is my beltless, shoeless, Quattro.
Give us the look. Here, I'll move this out of the way a little bit. Just kidding. It's...
No belt.
It fits her well. We did order Peanuts online, and again, it came with the shoes. The shoes, oh, he's taking your seat. They tailored the boots to Peanuts' foot specifications. I've never had to do
Custom
that
boots.
before.
Custom boots.
So they were asking for foot measurements, and I'm like, what are these? Like, what part of my foot are you asking about?
I know.
Because Peanut would send me measurements, and then I'd measure my foot to be like, is this correct? Because we have roughly the same size of feet.
Yeah.
Can you tell how much she loves this outfit? It's
I just stare at myself on the screen.
You're very much like evil Austin Powers to me.
Yeah, baby. I want...
Yes, tell me what you want. What you really want.
And I can't do it because that would be wrong.
Oh, okay.
I need someone else to do this for me.
Okay.
I need someone to find all of the photos of me as Quattro. And I need you to make a thirst trap of me to Rasputin, the song.
You're dreaming too high. I don't think we have that many fans.
That's what I need.
That's Peanut's dream.
At some point.
That's when Peanuts made it.
I'm gonna need that.
Here, you can take my chair because he's claimed yours.
Oh, okay. We'll swap.
Okay, so this is what I mentioned. Oh, lady!
Oh, everyone's here. See? The thirst trap worked.
So this was an order off of Etsy Canada. So this is fully hand custom made.
You don't have pockets.
I sent a picture of the character and I sent a picture of a dress version. And she messaged me back and forth with some materials, some colors, and she did a beautiful job.
It looks really good.
She killed it. She did so good.
What are these called again?
These are epaulettes, and these are little tassels on the epaulettes.
Epaulettes. The helmet is a new and improved helmet from last year. We use the other one just as decor.
This is the Mark Zero. The Mark Zero was 3D printed in different sections and then puzzle pieced together.
You can tell the difference.
So you can see the glue lines where I spray painted over them because I didn't sand very well. Really hard to sand 3D printed stuff for some reason. So this was the first iteration. Super glued it, painted it, sanded it a little bit. This is the Mark 1, and this was 3D printed and designed by Robot, and it fits way better. First of all, look how big this is on Peanut.
I feel more like, and I know that's what it's based off of, but this truly is like a samurai helmet versus like Char's helmet. Does that make any sense? Like, this is just so big.
This looks a lot more polished.
Yes. Yeah. This was a good first year.
Does this have the foam inserts in it?
No.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it does?
Because it was way too big for my head, and even with the foam inserts, it's still massive. This one doesn't have any inserts because it's so comfortable and fits wonderfully.
Yeah, you don't even need it.
This is very Spaceballs.
Yeah. Spaceballs.
I love it. The downside to wearing helmets at conventions, I have learned, is if Peanut is walking behind me or beside me, I'll be like, what? Because I can't hear it. It blocks my ears.
I was, focused. I was calling for you at one point. You were walking in front of me, and Smiley couldn't hear me at all. So I was just shouting her name, and I had to, it was rough.
I think eventually you came up and you're like...
Yeah, I'm like, hold
yes?
on. Yes, how can I help you?
Yes! And then someone came up and gave a little Zaku sticker, and I was like, oh, I felt so bad for running away. Not that I was trying to.
Yeah, but you just can't hear, because it's, I get it.
So the dress is fully custom. She did the dress, she did the cape, she did the belt. The dress itself is also a pencil dress. And then this is like an extra skirt that you can put on over top if you want to make it flowy. I like the flowy.
Yeah.
These are just gloves. These are our Bridgerton gloves because you can just reuse them for whatever.
Yeah.
These are just long
socks.
Thick socks. And these are just random online boots.
Yeah. Mine came with the turtleneck, the shirt on top. The pants fit so good. And they have pockets. Deep pockets.
I don't have pockets. What the heck?
I know.
I'm gonna take this off. Ugh. I love this outfit. It's such a look. I love these outfits. These are so much fun. I did break the cape after trying to wash it. So this is a bobby pin holding my cape together.
But it works. Whatever works.
Peanut did this inside the car, Friday of Anime North. My clasp was loose, and I was trying to put it together, and then I broke it right in front of Peanut. And she's like, okay, give me your sewing kit and the cape.
For anyone who knows cosplay
sewing?
or clothes, it was a hook and eye clasp, and I originally thought it was the hook part that just, like, bent itself to straighten out, but somehow she managed to, like, fully break the eye in half, so there was nothing to hook onto, even thread, and the hook itself was, like, gone. So we have extras somewhere, not in the sewing kit, that's great. So I was like, okay, what am I gonna do? I have buttons, I have thread I could make, like, a loop out of, but what am I gonna do? And then at some point I just was like, is this safety pin good? Because we're running out of time.
Oh, I kept calling it a bobby pin. Safety pin.
A safety pin. And she was like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, we were literally on our way to walk to the con. I was like, whatever we can do to get this to stay.
Yes. And honestly, that would probably be the most secure anyways. Yeah. And if we find the hooks and eyes, I can put new ones on. We just have to find them, because they're somewhere in this house. They have to be.
I think they're in the basement somewhere.
That sucks.
We will definitely continue to get a lot of good use out of these in the future. They're so much fun. We did do other cosplays at Anime North. I don't think we got photos of them. For those of you who've been paying attention to...
We have one of the Demon Slayer.
Yes. We did Demon Slayer. We've done Demon Slayer previously, so I'm sure I can find a photo of what our Demon Slayers look like. But unfortunately, for those of you who have been paying attention to recaps about Anime North 2026...
Or if you went.
It was rainy hurricane weather.
It was the worst Anime North weather I have ever seen.
Myself as well.
It was so bad. And we wanted to film clips at Anime North and do a little vloggy thing. But because walking to or outside, we were both sharing an umbrella.
We were like this.
We were all four, we... All hands on deck.
And it blew our umbrella inside out at one point, and we were just like, ah!
There's no way we could have filmed outside and inside because of the rain. It was
packed.
Packed inside because everyone was trying to get away from the rain. So, honestly, anything we would have filmed for y'all
wouldn't have been that great.
You're not missing much. Other people did some recap videos, and it's pretty much...
But because it rained so poorly on Saturday, we don't have any pictures of our Howl Pendragon cosplays to show you guys.
I love that one too.
From a Studio Ghibli movie, Howl's Moving Castle.
Howl's Moving Castle. I've done 2 gender bends now, and they're my favorites.
What was your first? Howl and Quattro.
Howl and Quattro.
I think this is most definitely my favorite cosplay that I've done.
Yeah.
It
should be. It looks great.
Of all time.
Yeah.
But it's also the first one I've worn that was custom made for me.
You? Yeah.
I've had custom measurements before, but this is the first full custom of a character that I love.
Yeah.
So it means a lot to me, I guess. And for me, being Char, it's hilarious seeing you as Quattro. I love your Quattro.
I know. It's so simple, but it's so effective. It was really sweet. Some people recognized us when we were walking through the convention halls, but there was one girl that she called out to you, and I think she called you Char. I think she called you Char, but she's like, "Oh, Char, can I get a picture of you?" And you were like, "Yeah, of course." And if anyone asks for photos and they don't say of both of you, I step out of the way because I'm not going to insert myself. But then you were like, but I also have Quattro here. And she's like, oh yeah, sure. It's for my brother. He loves Gundam. But she just recognized...
she didn't... It's probably the helmet.
Your helmet. Yeah. Because the Char helmet...
It's a beacon.
It's so iconic that even if you've never watched it, you can at least recognize the character. And it was sweet that she wanted a picture. And she's like, yeah, absolutely. If you're also... My brother's gonna love this. It was so cute. It was really sweet.
Walking around, you tend to get a lot of Sigzions as well.
Oh yeah, I was throwing up salutes all the time. It was great. Yeah. Oh, it was fun.
So aside from the weather, we had a great time. And it was good to see those of you who came up to say hi to us as well. It's always fun to see everybody.
Yeah. It was good. It was
we had a good time.
It was a good weekend for meeting friends and for everything. If the weather was a bit better, I feel like it would have been one of the best Anime Norths that I've been to. I haven't gone to as many as you. Yeah. It was really fun. And I can't wait to go again.
I know. Yay! Can't wait to pull these out again.
Yeah. Oh, these out.
We just really wanted to show you guys these outfits because we obviously love them a lot and wanted to share for those of you who didn't get to see the photos or see us at that convention.
Yeah. Alright, y'all.
Well, that was it for us for today. Thank you for coming to hang out. We
Thanks
appreciate
for hanging
it.
out. We just wanted to show off some pictures, since it's really the only evidence we have from Anime North is the photos. So, thanks, y'all.
Bye, gang.
We will see you again.
Ow.
Come on.
Yeah, when did your arm get so big?
I started working out for Char.
Quattro.
Or Quattro, sorry.
Ah, dang it. Well, we can't be the same person
The
if our
beach
muscles are
is that way.